It's Around the House. On this episode of Around the House.
If you see their reviews gradually getting worse and worse and worse, and more recently they've had some really bad ones, that is a sign that this contractor's probably having financial difficulties, and it's just a matter of time before the music stops and you're left without a chair to sit in, and that it's going to land in somebody's unfortunate lap when things finally implode on that contractor. So that's something that we always encourage people to look for, and we look for it for them if they would like for us to do so.
That is so smart, because how the traditional contractor goes under is that they're taking, they're robbing Peter to pay Paul. So,
right.
When your final check is paying, that you're writing to them is actually paying for the next job.
Yes, that's exactly right.
And they're just trying to pay it forward. And like you said, that's a great analogy when the music stops.
When it comes to remodeling or renovating your home, there is a lot to know, and we have got you covered. This is Around the House.
Hi, Suncoast. Today I have Andy Wyman with me. He is with Wyman Legal Solutions. If you have ever had construction in your house, you've done a remodel, you want to do something big in your house, this is the guy to talk to.
My name is Andy Wyman, and I own a construction law firm in Boca Raton, Florida, called Wyman Legal Solutions. And at our firm, we represent owners and we represent contractors in construction disputes, but also before projects take place and while projects are ongoing, to give everybody the best chance for their project to be a success.